Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to play with some Colourpop makeup. We're mostly going to play with this palette, the RawBeautyKristi and Colourpop at First Sight palette. I also played with a couple of their holiday vaults. We used the Lippie pencil one as well as the Glitterally Obsessed. Yeah, lots of fun stuff. I tried out the Freckle pen. I don't know if you can really see them, but they're there. Anyway, all of the month of December I am uploading Monday through Friday. But normally it's Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Let's be friends. All right, let's go and jump in. All right, so I already have my base on. It's the usual Revolution Conceal and Define, XX Revolution Super Fix Concealer. Zero, but my cheeks, Revolution, a lot of Revolution all the time. Mega Contour and Cool. And then Ravish Blush from AOA, Shot Missy. Okay. All right, I'm going to go ahead. Since I already did all of that, I'm going to go ahead and do my eyeshadow. I thought I would just get to the point. We don't need to wait. I do the same base almost all the time. So I just felt like doing my eyes with you guys today. This is what the palette looks like. Mine accidentally somehow ended up in Seattle, so it had to come back. It got here like, I ordered it the launch day, like 15 minutes after it launched. But it got lost, but it's here. It's here. It's been here for about a week, but I haven't had a chance to sit down and film with you guys. So we're just gonna go in. I've seen some people using like kind of doing the rainbow of it across their eye, which looks really pretty. So we're gonna do something like that. I don't know if I'm gonna use all of said colors. We'll see. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with Chanterelle, which is the yellow. It's this guy right here in there. And I don't think I'm going to fully tap it off. I'm going to tiny tap it. And then I'm just going to put this yellow right in here. Because I always like the lighter shades in the inner. I tilt my head back a little bit when I don't tap off the brush because I feel like it helps with fallout. Maybe it doesn't. I don't know. But if you're doing this, it's going to more easily fall than if you're just doing, you know, you look silly, but it's worth it. I'm just going to go ahead and do that on both eyes. Okay, I think I'm gonna go ahead and do the top lid and then do the underlid for my under eye. Now I'm gonna go into Rainier, which is kind of the orangey shade, just to get that blend in. I'm gonna try and do, I think, 4 colors up here. That orange just like took over the lid. Okay, I'm gonna try Emerald City. Just this one right here. I'm gonna use it on the side of the brush. Maybe I can cover less. This is such a big fluffy blender. Hopefully I can get this to look good and not look too muddy from that orange. The mirror I'm using is not right in front of me. I mean, it's right in front of me, but it's not like, I'm one of those people that needs to be like this. So we're trying. Yeah, it's turning a little muddy over that orange. That's my bad. I am going to blend some of this blue, which is PNW, Pacific Northwest, holla, represent. I hope you can see what I'm doing. Ooh, that is pigmented. Oh my goodness. Oh my god. Going back in with a smaller blender and kind of concentrating the colors. Don't worry, I'm going to clean this up. It'll be cleaned up. So I'm just putting a little bit of Pacific Northwest down here. You know what? We're just going to give it a little go. I'm not going to put too much. I'm going to try and not get it in my eye. So we're going to go with this guy. I'm going to take my face powder and my damp sponge and hopefully I can clean that up enough. I'm going to use some of this Revolution face powder that's white, lighten up this area. Like, I want it blended, but I also want it to still be bright up there. You know what I'm saying? So I'm just gonna roll with it. I'm gonna do a quick cut crease. I do think that is in order. The Revolution Ultimate Eye Base. I'm just gonna put a little in the back of my hand. Kittens are being crazy. And I just put it across my lid. Like this. And then I open. And I just take that imprint, because that shows when my eye's wide open exactly where my lid's gonna hit, and if I go slightly above that, then my lid will look bigger. Ooh, the possibilities. Ooh, the possibilities. Plus I know I want to do a lot of glitter. I have these guys, which again are not intended for the immediate eye area because they are glitter. But I'm going to do it anyway because I do it all the time. And hopefully this isn't the time that it goes south. I think I'm going to go with the palette for now and we'll play with the other stuff. I am going to use one of these, but I think we're just going to just go. I want to use Evergreen, which looks kind of like a blue-brown, green-brown kind of situation. I'm going to use my fingertip and I'm going to pop it right here. And then I'm going to take West Coast, which is the gold, and I think I'm going to put that on the inner corner to go with that yellow. Oof. Feeling a little bit like a butterfly, and I'm just going to soften this edge. I didn't put anything else on this brush. It's just the same brush that I used that blue on last. Pop this guy open. Oh, I'm so indecisive. Oh my gosh, look at that. I don't know. This is Break the Ice. Look at that. Yes. I only use a little bit too, guys. I think that might be part of why it doesn't really bother my eyes. I just kind of tap, 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 tap. Get a little bit on my finger. And then I'm just going to kind of putting it on the center of the lid. Maybe we'll do that. Maybe we'll use more than one because I'm just feeling a little bit extra today. I want to use the goldy one, the kind of yellow one, over that gold and see how that goes. Is Grand Prize. I can't get over how cute these are. Oh my gosh, if I can get it open. Oh my gosh. Right up in there. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Oh, it's so pretty. I hope it's translating. I love glitter. I'm on such a glitter kick. I don't know, the holidays just get me. Glitter Hour, mini glitterally obsessed vault. Girl, this was like 30% off. It was like 22 bucks. I am so excited about it. I think I'm going to take just a little bit of Let It Rain, which is the black in here. Just a tiny bit on my little packer brush. Ooh, that's so pigmented. Dang, girl. Dang, girl. And I'm just going to kind of put it down here. I am going to do a wing, but I just like creating a little extra depth on my eyes personally. So just kind of tapping it all over. You can use, like in any palette, just use like the darkest shade in the palette, and if you lightly tap it over, it shouldn't really affect the color too much. It's just going to give it a little more depth. It'll darken it a little bit, obviously, but that's what we are looking for. I'm going to go ahead and do my wing and my lashes off camera. I think I'm going to use these guys. Let me take them out. I will link these below. They're from Amazon, Alley Crown. They are Design B. I will not get over them. They have been my favorite go-to lashes. I do have to trim the length of them a little bit because my eyes are not that big. Honestly, any of the ones they have are absolutely gorgeous. The style B is my personal favorite though for my hooded eyes. So I am going to go ahead, pop on a wing because that's boring. Nobody needs to watch that. And all of our eyes are different really to get your wing to work. Just try it on your eyes over and over and over again. That's all you really can do to practice it. But I'm going to go ahead and do that. And then I will be right back. We'll finish off the eyes, do a highlight, pick a lip, and that'll be it. All right, I'll be right back. All right, I'm back. Lashes are on. I feel like that just balances out the look so much more because when you don't have lashes on, I don't know, these are they're quite large and dramatic lashes, but I love them. I know you guys are shocked, but I'm gonna go ahead and use this pigment from Shop Miss A. It's an orb on the inner corner of my eye. I'm obsessed. There's literally nothing that I found like it that I love this much. I don't know, but anyway, I'm just gonna pop it. It's like instant, boom, you know? Just gonna put it on the inner corner. I'm gonna drag it down a little bit over here just to brighten up the eye a little bit up. I think I might actually go ahead and put some up here. So I already, like I said, I already have my very loved Revolution Mega Contour and Cool right here. Then I have Shop Miss A Ravish Blush, my like everyday blush that I always use. I'm trying to decide what highlight to use. I'm gonna use this. I'm just gonna use this Karity palette, I think. I'm just gonna go into this Karity, the pinks one, the first one. I'm gonna use Lacy. I don't know if it's gonna be, it's not gonna be, let's see. Oh no, she's, I forget. Okay, I'm gonna go over that with my damp sponge. I wanna have freckles like you, baby girl. You got the cutest freckles on your nose. If you guys haven't seen, she's got the cutest little freckles. Let's show everybody your freckles. Look at those freckles. Oh my goodness. Okay, I got mine in soft brown, which is the lighter one. Freckle pen. Let's get some freckles on this face. I'm just gonna, I feel like I look a little silly. It is what it is. I think it's gonna take some practice. Let's do some lips. I'm going with it. They're not perfect. Never used a freckle pen. I've only used like a eyebrow pencil. Words. I got the little nudes, a Lippie pencil set that they put out for holiday. I'm excited. I think that whatever this lightest one is gonna be my best friend. Is it the BFF pencil? Oh my god, it's the original BFF pencil. Of course it is. Cause she fair. Little box of Lippie pencils. So again, this is just BFF. I'm gonna use Karity Milk and Honey just because it's been my jam lately. I think I'm gonna do a little bit of Salted Caramel from I Heart Revolution, as well as the e.l.f. Lip Plumping Gloss in Peach Bellini. I'm using both because Peach Bellini will lighten it, and I don't want it too much lighter. Just a little. Hi. Ow. Hi, I love you. Why do you want to eat my weave? You can't have my clips. All right, love, so I think that is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Very, very, very impressed. I'm not surprised. I know that Kristi would never put out anything that wasn't anything short of amazing, but I absolutely love this. I love the color story. This is one of the palettes in the, like, I haven't been this excited about a palette, I guess is the right way to say it, in a while. I knew I had to have this the second I saw it. It's just so, just a gorgeous color story, and I actually really like this look. Very dramatic, but we've had so many neutral looks lately here on my channel that it was time for something a little bit brighter, a little more colorful, and I'm feeling it. I'm feeling it. I hope you guys can really see that glitter. I'm gonna like do the little, all the head poses so you guys can see. Here, I'll get a little closer actually, because now Luna's off my lap. But I'm feeling it. I hope you guys liked it. Let me know what brand you want me to use next. Do you want me to do a full Revolution one? Shop Miss A? Let a girl know. Let a girl know. I mean, it's always gonna be like a little piece here and there from something else, because that's just how I do. But anyway, I'm gonna stop rambling. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Share it if you could. It does help me out so much. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I'm uploading Monday through Friday all of December. And then back when we get in January, we'll do Monday, Wednesday, Friday. All right. That's it. I love you guys so much. I'll talk to you soon. Bye. Yeah, okay. Oh, you can see my bra strap. Oh, that's not cute. Girl. Hey, loves. Whoa. Hi, Luna. Luna has joined the party. Super duper glitterally. Oh, you scared me. Luna is coming. Hi, you are just busting on through. Busting on. Whoa, literally just knocked. You have no sense of her surroundings ever. There's never any sense of your surroundings. You just come through and you just knock everything down. You don't care. But then she comes and she's purring and she's so stinking cute that I don't even care. Pick it up. Tragic. Or this could, oh, there's no mirror in there. I don't know what I'm doing.